Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes. Take out page number 41, chapter 29. The topic is the ultimate food trail. So let's have a look at famous foods of India. Identify the popular dishes of the states and name them. Take the help from the help box. So in the next page, here in the box, here you can see here in the box, so answers are given here. So from this box you have to take the help and give the answers. So we'll start. Number 1, Jammu and Kashmir. So Jammu and Kashmir's famous food is called Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh. And number 2 is Punjab. The famous food of Punjab is makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Number 3, Rajasthan. Dal bati churma. Number 4, Gujarat is khandavi and dhokla. Number 5, Bihar, litti chokha. 6, Telangana, that is biryani. 7, Meghalaya is called jado. 8, Kerala, that is appam. Number 9 is Haryana and bajre ki khichdi. Next is number 10, Arunachal Pradesh is thukpa. 11, Goa, gaon fish curry. 12, Maharashtra, misal pav. 13, Karnataka, Mysore dosa. 14, Madhya Pradesh, poha. 15, Himachal Pradesh, Siddu. 16, West Bengal, sandesh and rasgulla. 17, Uttar Pradesh, petha and pera. 18, Sikkim, and Sikkim is famous for momos. And next is multi-purpose projects. And multi-purpose project means, multi-purpose project is a project, it is a project which fulfills a variety of purposes at the same time. It fulfills a variety of purposes at the same time. For example, irrigation, generation of electricity, flood control, fish breeding, soil conservation, and there are many more. So multi-purpose projects are planned for many purposes like fisheries, navigation, irrigation, hydropower, etc. So as I already told you that multi-purpose projects fulfills a variety of purposes. Below are some multi-purpose projects of India. So these are the multi-purpose projects of India. Match them with the right rivers on which they are built. So what you have to do is, you have to match this project with the right rivers on which they are built. On which river this project are built, you have to match this. So multi-purpose project are here and river are here. So number 1 is Tehri Dam. And this Tehri Dam is built in which place? That is Bhagirathi. Number 2, Damodar Valley Project, that is in Damodar. Number 3, Bhakra Nangal Project, that is in Satluj. Number 4, Hirakud Dam, that is in Mahanadi. 5, Chambal Valley Project, so that is in Chambal. Number 6, Beas Project, that is in Beas. Number 7, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, that is in Krishna. Number 8, Ukai Project, and that is in Tapti. Number 9, Sardar Sarovar Project, and that is in Narmada. Number 10, Rihand Valley Project, that is in Son. Number 11, Indira Gandhi Canal Project, and that is in Satluj. So here you can see, okay, these are the images of dams, okay. Fact, the first river valley project in independent India was Damodar Valley Project. So Damodar Valley project is the first river valley project in independent India. So next is largest and longest of India. Okay, so in India, which is the largest and longest, we will learn about these things. Okay, read the clues and write the answers. So what we have to do is we have to read the clues, whatever is given here, and we have to find what is the largest and longest. Okay, number 1, it is the largest state in India in terms of area. So this is the largest state in India in terms of area. Okay, that state has big area. So this state is which state? That is Rajasthan. Number 2, name the longest river in India. So which is the longest river? Ganga. Okay. Number 3, it is the smallest Indian state by area. That is Goa. 4, it is the longest beach in India located in Chennai. That is Marina. Okay. Number 5, name the largest glacier in India. That is Sinchen Glacier. Number 6, which is the largest man-made lake in India? That is Govind Bhalda Port Sagar. Okay. Number 7, name the longest coastline state of India. That is Gujarat. Number 8, it is the largest desert in India. That is Thar Desert. Number 9, it is the largest dome in India located at Bijapur. That is Gol Gumbar. Number 10, name the longest road in India. That is Grand Trunk Road. Fact, Sikkim is the smallest state in India by population. So in India, which is the smallest state? That is Sikkim, by seeing its population. Okay. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. And in which state we can find the literate people? In the state of Kerala. Okay, Kerala has the highest literacy rate okay, in India. Next is national parks and sanctuaries. India has 104 national parks. And India has how many national parks? 104 national parks. Okay, and 551 sanctuaries. And how many sanctuaries? 551 sanctuaries. These are developed to protect the endangered species of plants and animals by giving them a safe place to live naturally. So why these national parks and sanctuaries are developed? In order to protect the endangered species of plants and animals. That means these species of plants and animals which are going to extinct. Okay, so because of that only these national parks and sanctuaries are developed. Okay, thus they help maintain biodiversity and preserve nature. So these national parks and sanctuaries, they preserve the nature. Okay, and also maintain the biodiversity. In the following table, match the parks and the sanctuaries with their respective locations. So you have to match these parks or sanctuaries with their location. Okay. Number 1, Kaziranga National Park, that is in Assam. Number 2, Jim Corbett National Park, that is in Nainital, Uttarakhand. Number 3, Bandipur National Park, and that is in Karnataka. Number 4, Periyar Sanctuary, that is in Kerala. Number 5, Kanha National Park, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Number 6, Gir National Park, that is in Junagadh, Gujarat. Number 7, Ghana Bird Sanctuary, that is in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. So they are preserving, okay, these species of plants and animals. Number B, answer the following questions with the help of your teacher. So number 1, Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh is famous for, this Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh is famous for what? White tiger. Number 2, the Ranthambore National Park situated in dash is famous for tiger, Rajasthan, and here tiger. 3, why is the Jim Corbett National famous for? That is for tiger, okay. Number 4, dash is situated in Bilaspur is famous for the varied species of fish and barking deer, that is wildlife sanctuary, okay. Number 4, the Dudhwa National Park famous for swamp deer is located in which place? That is in Uttar Pradesh. Next is our national emblem, okay. The national emblem of India is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath near Varanasi. So our national emblem of India is the lion of the lion capital. So here you can see, okay, this one lion, and this is the Ashoka chakra, okay. There are 4 lions standing back to back. So here are 4 lions, okay. Only 3 lions are visible and they are mounted for us on a circular base. So but though here are 4 lines, but we can see only 3 lines, okay. Only 3 lines that we can see. At the bottom there is a horse on the left side and bull on the right side, and on one side there is horse and another side there is a bull, okay. And the Dharma Chakra is in the center, and this is the Dharma Chakra, okay. Under this Satyamev Jayate is inscribed. So under this, what is written there? Satyamev Jayate. This emblem is the official seal of the government of India, okay, and this emblem is the official seal for whom? Of the government of India, okay, which was adopted on 26 January 1950 when India became a republic. So it was adopted on 26 January 1950 when India became a republic. Now see the emblem carefully and answer the following questions. So you have to first see the emblem carefully, then only you have to write the answer. Number 1, how many lions are there in our national emblem? As we already read that there are 4, no, so answer is 4. Number 2, from where has our national emblem been taken? So from where? Sarnath, that is lion capital of Ashoka, okay. 3, what is written underneath it and what does it mean? And so under it what is written? Satyameva Jayate is written, okay, and it means truth alone triumphs, okay. What does the Dharma Chakra tell? That is Dharma Chakra tells us about life moving. Number 5, in which language is Satyameva Jayate inscribed? That is in Sanskrit. So students, I will send all the answers through WhatsApp, okay. So every day you check your WhatsApp, okay, because I will be uploading videos every day. So what you need to do is every day you have to check your WhatsApp, okay. All the answers I will send you through WhatsApp, and I will also every day I will also send you the links whichever videos I will upload, okay. Thank you students.